All right, so showing the sort of reverse on this, I've got this reinstalled now. This is the little clip that needs to come out. You can pry it out with just about anything, but it does move in from both sides. See how it springs there? So you can grab it like this, pinch it together and just pull it straight down. Once you do that, the sun visor will start to fall out and it'll just sort of twist a little bit to the side or like rotate a little bit this way as it comes out. There's a clip right here that notches up. It basically is shaped like that in there. It kind of grabs it in there and so it kind of comes out like that. So I put it back in there, pop the clip in place, and then there is a little trim piece right here that just should theoretically, there we go, snap into place. Voila. So this side of the car is done. The tweeter's in, standard, the factory grill fit fine. The power base replacement was exact match, clipped to matched and everything. It just popped in there very easily. The mid-range I had to do some customization, which I showed, and the woofer was just a pop in with a clip that matched the Mustang as well. So not bad, took a couple of hours. Hopefully the other side will go faster.